Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Poonam Sood, Mumbai Chapter Secretary for Image Management Professionals Association. I am here today to have some interesting conversations in our featured consultant series, and I have with me here our certified professional member, Ms. Bandita Patro. Bandita is the founder of Mundal Image by Bandita, a professional trainer for essential skill development, an etiquette coach, a passionate styling expert dealing with individuals' wardrobe, celebrity and fashion styling, and a drape enthusiast. Hello, Bandita. Welcome.
Hi, Poonam. Thank you so much for having me.
My pleasure. How is it going for you? The lockdown, the COVID, the year 2020?
Yes, it has been good so far. I mean, it is like a nightmare, no doubt. But still, we are managing and getting some good work. I'm happy about it.
Wonderful. Good to hear that. And now that we are at the end of 2020, December, I'm sure you must be having a lot of plans already in place for 2021.
Yes, yes, a
Great.
lot.
Perfect. So, Bandita, we have a few questions for you, and I'm sure our viewers would be excited to hear your point of view about your journey. So, I would like to start by asking what made you excited about stepping into the image consulting industry?
Okay, so actually, I always used to have this love for fashion, styling, clothing, and when I completed my 12th, I wanted to do fashion designing actually, but I ended up doing electrical engineering.
All
Then
right.
I started working in pharma industry. When I think 10 years back, 10 to 12 years back, when I shifted back to India, people used to appreciate the way I was dressed, the way I used to style myself. Then people used to ask me that why don't you start giving suggestions to others and all. So I thought that let me search some courses and some certification in styling or something like that. So while I was searching about styling and some fashion styling course or something, so I got to know about image consulting as well. So when I saw that image consulting is something which is, I mean, styling is just a part of image consulting. So I got even more excited about it because I can do even other consulting sessions. I can do training. I can help others empowering themselves. I can empower myself. So it felt really attractive to me, and I just signed up for that.
Wonderful, wonderful. Interesting to hear that initial journey of yours. So, Vandita, like you said, that you started doing research, and during your research, you came to know about image consulting. So, how did you understand that image consulting would be the right profession for you? I mean, how did it come across to you that this could be a profession?
More than the profession, actually, it excited me more because I wanted to do something which is with soft skills as well. And I have worked almost for 15 years, but I did not get that corporate environment or where I will show my leadership skills and all those things. I used to work from home. So when I saw those soft skills part also, I thought that maybe that will enhance myself, that will help me to build my confidence and also to impart that knowledge to others. It will be more helpful. So I thought that more than doing just a styling course, I thought that this will be more helpful.
Wonderful. So you're saying that the image consulting along with soft skills together came across as a lucrative profession for you.
Yes, yes.
Wonderful. So when you say that, why do you think image consulting could be the most lucrative profession in the decade?
Uh, I think it is the need of the hour, and people are accepting the fact that it is needed for them. I mean, it was very new for everyone, and they didn't know about the concept of image consulting. Also, everyone used to think that okay, I'm doing fine in my profession, why do I need to go through this process and go through either consulting or training or something like that. So I'm not much into soft skills training, but I do like you said, essential skill training. So I do more on visual communication, etiquette, body language, then appearance, which includes clothing. So clothing was taken at last actually. So people have now started understanding the clothing messages and the impact of presenting yourself well. So it is going to be a lucrative profession for sure.
Again, an interesting insight that people have started understanding the communication of clothes and how it can help them leave an impact. So, Bandita, like you're telling the various things that you are into, could you give us a more elaborate insight into what is the kind of work that you've been doing after your certification?
Okay, after my certification, actually, I've started a few trainings in corporates. Then, like we say, whenever we are doing something, we have to put our hand in everything. Then you understand which is your niche, and from that, I got to know that I am not much into corporate training. I mean, training into soft skills. So I do soft skills, only body language, etiquette, and then visual communication. But I don't do other soft skills. I don't enjoy training on other subjects. So I started doing corporate training. Then from there, I started doing few one-on-one consulting. Then I also did work in styling and like arts and films. I did celebrity styling. I did fashion styling. So then I realized that the things I enjoy doing the most is styling and one-on-one consulting. So when I'm doing one-on-one consulting, I have clients from corporate as well. But then I feel the connect more compared to a group training or something. So I do group workshops as well for particular topics, or say styling, or maybe draping, the unconventional draping styles. Then I do for again the etiquette part. But I
Wonderful.
mostly enjoy doing one-on-one consulting, and I have completed almost 100 one-on-one consultings, and I'm
Wow.
really happy about it.
Wow.
So,
Congratulations, Bandita.
thank you so much.
Great. So, Bandita, I know what you mean when you say I don't enjoy doing a particular thing, because when we don't enjoy something, we are not able to make that impact or, help the others as well. So, like you said,
True.
empower others. I think to empower others is very important to enjoy. You also said that you do conduct essential skills training for corporates in particular areas. So, what
Yeah.
is the level of awareness amongst corporates about image consulting?
I think in corporates, people are more aware and accept things like other soft skills more than the appearance or clothing management, or you say whatever you say, the power dressing and all those things. So now it is coming up, and people have started, like I said, they have started accepting and understanding the fact. But they're more concerned. I think they're more accepting those leadership trainings, then goal setting, or you say time management and all those. So they keep it as part of their training and learning development program. But when I say appearance and clothing management, the awareness is still lacking, I would say,
All right. So,
because people feel that okay, formal wear, we know that we can wear a jacket or we can wear a power suit and we are done. They don't I mean, they are not that much aware, or not accepting the fact that the colors, the patterns, and the silhouette, everything can make impact as well.
so
So that
you
is my.
that's your point. Absolutely. So, but you are agreeing that at the same time that awareness is increasing and they are coming to realize that it makes
Yes, yes.
an impact.
Like I said, I have consulting clients who are from corporate, but when you say training as such, so the corporate and the organization is not ready to invest on a training on clothing and appearance management.
All right. So, Bandita, you yourself, like you told us in the beginning, are from an electrical engineering background. So
Yeah.
how was your shift from an electrical engineer mindset to the mindset of an image consultant?
So, like I said, I did my electrical engineering, but I have worked in pharma industry from last 15 years. I'm still working in pharma industry. So, from pharma industry to image consulting industry, it was like a complete shift. And currently, I'm in both the boats, and people don't believe mostly that you can do both the things together. But it has been a great journey, and like I said, I love doing one-on-one consulting. I love doing styling. So I just try and take out that time for myself and what I love to do and what I enjoy doing. So that is how I manage both the things, and image consulting will be my first love always.
I know I can see that love in your Instagram posts and all those videos that you post. I can see all that creativity over there. So, how have you planned your roadmap of success?
Roadmap of success. Like I said, I have almost completed 100 consulting clients. So I feel really empowered each time I complete one session. So because you get to know multiple people, different experiences, you learn from them.
Right.
So I have not planned like for 10 years, but I would say maybe in 1 year of time, at least I would like to complete 100 more sessions. So, and like I said, I enjoy more one-on-one consultings. So I would like to complete that. And as well as I have planned some of my styling assignments as well. And they are in line, and I'm planning my schedule accordingly. So,
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much,
so I've not made
Vandana.
big plans. I'm
Yeah,
going step by step,
that's
and
great.
I will accept the things as it is coming on my way.
Wonderful. That was a wonderful insight, and it was a pleasure hearing you and your journey from an electrical engineer to an image consultant. And like you said, how you are simultaneously managing the pharma industry where you are working currently and the image consulting, which is your first love. We wish
Yeah.
you all the best in your future endeavors, your assignments, and your 1 year goal that you set for yourself. Thank you for
Thank you so
your
much.
time today, Pandita, with us. Thank you so much. Have a good journey ahead.
Thank you so much for having me, and I love sharing my views and insights. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye, Pandita.
Thank you.